Every girl, every boy, come on, open up your eyes. There's a world right here, full of wonder and surprise.
Let's go and find the Fimbles!
Fimbles, Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Fimbles, Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Sing along, everyone can join our song.
Sing along!
Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Every day we'll find and play in the wonderful world, in the magical world of the Fimbles.
Oh, hello there, little Pom.
Hello, Roly.
Oh, and what are you up to today, Pom?
Papa find a leaf. Look.
Oh, those are very fine leaves, Pom. Very fine leaves indeed.
Roly have leaves now.
Oh, thank you very much, Pom.
Bye-bye, Roly.
Oh, bye-bye, Pom. Ah.
Oh, that's nice. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Fimbly Feel a tinkling, hear a sound. There's something awaiting to be found. Where is it? Where is it? What could it be? Something over there. Let's go and see. Where is it? Where is it? What can it be? It's waiting to be found. Can you see it? Oh. Pretty leaf. Leaf fly. Funny leaf. Bashy.
Well, hello to you, young Fimbo.
Oh, hello, Roly. I'm going to get the busy box. I feel like making something.
Oh, what fun. And what are you going to make?
Oh, I don't know yet. I'll think of something when I get there.
Oh, I'm sure you will. See you later.
Oh, bye. Now, what can I find in here? Wow, now these look good.
Fimbo, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm making something. Something sparkly, I think.
Oh, I like that. Oh, can I have a piece for myself, please?
Oh, of course you can. You can have this one.
Oh, thank you, Fimbo. See you later. Oh! Oh, come back, paper!
My shimmy shaker's shimmying and my paper's dancing. Oh, I think the others would like to see this. Hey, everyone, look at this!
Oh, people! Oh, people!
Oh, Peepo, Bessie!
Oh, people, Fimbo, love. Ooh, what have you got there?
Oh, Pom! Hey, guess what? Well, first my top knot went all ruffly. And then my shimmy shaker started to shimmy.
Well, that's nice.
No, I wasn't shaking it. It shimmied on its own. And then my paper danced up in the air. It can fly!
Leaf fly! Pom, leaf fly too!
Oh, well, did it happen to you too, Pom?
Yes, yes, Fimba, Pom, Fimbly, Bimbly, Feely.
Oh, what did Pom find, Bessie?
Ooh. Ooh. Do you know, Fimbo? I think Pom found the wind.
Oh.
Hello, wind.
What does the wind look like, Bessie?
Well, you can't see the wind, but you can hear it. Listen. And you can feel it. And you can see what it does, too. Look, the wind is blowing that sail about. And it's making those boats move on the water, too.
Oh, look at those trees, Bessie. They're bending over.
Yes, the wind is blowing through the trees. And it's blowing the clouds through the sky, too.
Bow, bow.
Those sheets are blowing in the wind.
Getting nice and dry. She's lost her hat.
Oh, the wind's very strong.
Something's happening.
Oh, hello, Roly. I'm feeling extra specially bouncy today.
Oh, are you now?
What was that?
I wonder. Something's coming.
Something's coming. Something's coming. I'm going to tell the others. Bye, Roly Mo. Ah!
It's the wind, Rocket. The wind is here.
Oh, come back, Paper.
Oh, Florrie, my dear. Hello.
Oh, hello, Roly. Have you seen my sparkly paper?
Oh.
Oh, there it is. It flew away and I was trying to catch it.
It looks like someone's found the wind.
The wind? Oh, what's that, Roly?
Oh, I'm just whistling down the wind. The wind likes to be whistled too.
Can I hear it again?
Of course you can. The wind through the leaves goes rustle, 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 rustle. The wind through the leaves goes rustle, 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 all day long.
Leaf fly. Oh,
Oh,
no fly.
I think the wind has gone, Pom.
Oh.
Quick, quick. Roly says something's coming.
What? What?
Oh, I forgot to ask him.
Something is already here. Tell him about it, Fimbo.
Well, Rocket, something did come, but then it went away again.
What? Tell me what it was.
A wind come. Wind gone now. Bessie, a wind hiding.
Well, you see...
There it is. Maybe the wind wants to play with us. I know what I can make with my paper. There, 2 finished. There's Pom's and there's Florrie's. Now, just make mine. Got the stick and put some sticky on. And some sparkly bits of paper. There, 1. Stick it on the end. And there we are, finished. Come on, wind, come and play with us.
The wind through the leaves goes rustle, 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 rustle. The wind through the leaves goes rustle, 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 all day long.
All day
long. The wind makes the grass go sway, 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 sway. The wind makes the grass go sway, 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 all day long.
Goodness me, what are you all up to?
We're chasing the wind.
Wind.
Oh, did you find the wind, Pom?
Yes. Pom, Fimbly find a wind.
Oh, it's hiding again.
Oh, maybe it would like a story. Would you like to hear a story too?
Oh, yes, please. Dolly.
Back in a roly mo. When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. Oh, now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Ah, here we are. Now, this is a story about the wind.
Windy wind.
That's right, Pom, the wind. Now, are you sitting comfortably?
Yes.
Roly.
Then I'll begin. This story is called The Wind and the Sun. Once upon a time, the wind and the sun argued about who was stronger. Whistled the wind. Of course I'm stronger than you. I can strip leaves off trees, I can scatter clouds, nothing is stronger than me. Nonsense, said the sun. I can melt ice, I can burn wood, nothing is stronger than me. Then a weathercock called up to them. Cock-a-doodle-doo! I can tell you who's stronger. The wind and the sun rushed down from the mountain top. See the farmer over there? Said the weathercock. Whoever gets his coat off first will prove who is stronger. Easy, puffed the wind. And he blew and blew. But the farmer clutched his coat tightly and would not take it off. I blew all the straw out of his hair, yelled the wind. Ah, but you didn't make him take his coat off, said the weathercock. Now it's the sun's turn. So the sun started to shine and filled the valley with golden light and shimmering heat. The farmer's dog lay down in the shade, panting. The farmer mopped his face. Then he unbuttoned his coat And then he took it off. "You've won," said the weathercock. "The sun is stronger." The wind was so annoyed, he huffed and puffed up to the top of the mountain and left the whole valley to sleep in the sunshine.
The wind's still hiding.
Oh, can you whistle down the wind again, please, Roly?
Of course.
You see, the wind likes being whistled to.
Oh, like this? Yay! Hooray! It's back! Yay!
Well done, all of you.
Sing, sing! The wind makes a tree go tinkle, 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 tinkle. The wind makes a tree go tinkle, 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 all day long.
The wind makes the leaves go rustle, 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 rustle. The wind makes the leaves go rustle, 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 all day long.
The wind makes the grass go sway, 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 sway. The wind makes the grass go sway, 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 all day long.
Wind and noisy, whooshy whoosh, whooshy whoosh, whooshy whoosh. Wind and noisy whooshy, all a long day. Whee!
Oh, well, my little chickadee, the Fimbles had a busy day today. Can you remember who found the wind, my darling? That's right, it was little Pom. Pom found the wind. That's right, and then the wind found the others. Yes, yes, I liked it too when Roly whistled. Oh, they had such fun chasing the wind.
What sort of noise does the wind make?
You are so clever, that's right, my little ribbling. The wind makes a sound like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. A whoosh, 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 whoosh. The wind makes a sound like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh all the long day. Do you think you might feel the wind today? Come and find us next time, won't you? I must fly. Goodbye.